Hello guys. Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you are live as well. Um, I hope you guys can hear me. We'll discuss everything. I quickly wanted to start our analysis on charts, like how I am anticipating the market right now, and everybody is bullish on charts right now, as we are doing as we are trading at this range, and the way market has recovered from this range, holding this 4 hour time frame favorably gap. I think so. You guys can hear me, which is it should be okay now. It should be okay. So this is what it is like. Everybody on just on bigger picture time frame, everybody is bullish on charts. As we are watching this price action, the way market has this week on downward side daily time frame gone up invert this 4 hour time frame fairly gap throughout yesterday. Throughout yesterday, it hold this 4 hour upward level of the 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well on charts. Now everybody is bullish, looking for at least these highs, maybe new all-time high as well. This is what it is. I am anticipating or expecting for the market. But the other thing is like I'm considering right now couple of things. Couple of things right now I'm considering. I have a two options right now, like to go for a buy right now because market is bullish. It has to go toward upper side from here. This is the low. It should not have to go below. This is the if this is the local bottom. This is the low. Should not have to go below this low, which is a 4 hour time frame low as well. It should have to tends to be bullish from here for all of those highs. But just buy at this point. Consider do not consider anything about news relates to news because we have a news as well coming up at 3 o'clock, and just buy at this point and you anticipate that because of the news market will be should have to be bullish, and then it should have to continue to be bullish from here. I have seen a couple of times it happens as well, but the second possibility is like I should have to wait at this point. The wait for why should I have to wait from the market and not to buy really is considering at this range we was already bullish on yesterday, like remained sideways, market went sideways completely, yeah, it is fine, and it went toward upside early in the morning today, late in the night or early in the morning today. It was trading at this range, like when I started watching the charts today early in the morning at gym. It was trading at this range. I was like, this is already a 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. Market has like been break through that level as well. And we are already bullish. Yeah, we have these highs in play, and we have further all-time highs as well, very close to each other. We are already bullish. Yeah, that was like it should have to remain upward level of this range and then start to be bullish. First possibility, if it is aggressively bullish for all of those highs, try to knock all of those highs. If it is aggressively bullish from here, it should have to be just from this area. It should have to go toward upper side. Tends to be bullish, keeping this fairly gap open. This is the first possibility. I was anticipating that if it is aggressively bullish, and market at this point failed to be aggressively bullish, went down from this range. At this point, yes, we are still bullish. Yeah, we are not saying that the market is going down now, but we are not. This downside projection tells us the market that is not aggressively bullish from here. Market wants to take its time from this range. It the weight has gone down from okay, it's fine that this is the range we are still bullish on. This is the range we are still bullish on this range on price action. Just wanted to highlight this area right now. Let me highlight this here. This is 1 hour time frame, big 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Just to my chart may be quite messy a little bit, but we need those levels, guys. For now, we need those levels. I don't know. We can draw. This is a 50% of the range. For now, I'm deleting that level. So the thing is, like, though it has gone down from this range, it is not aggressive. It shows us that it is not aggressively bearish, bullish. Okay, we're still bullish at this range. We have seen bounce from here toward upper side. Yeah. At this point, like, I don't know, like, you can buy if you're really confident, or if you think like you can buy. By the way, I think so. You can buy. This would be like a not a bad trade. I would say that the way market has made a retest to this range for a swing trade, definitely you can buy. Look to buy this range from charts. You can put your stop loss now below this low, and possibility, like, we first like, for example, sorry about that. So first of all, you can anticipate to put your stop loss in here. You're looking to buy this range, you buy this one, market got the bounce toward upper side. Now your stop loss should be below this low. Should not have to go below this low on charts if it has to go toward upper side. We have all of those reasons for the market to be bullish, which is there on charts. We cannot deny this. Okay about that? I think so. You can buy as well at this point, but still, if you watch out, this is what it is. I was just watching and observing from charts, like, if just on a bigger picture time frame for the bullish case scenario, we're bullish. I'm anticipating from the market, like, this is the bigger picture time frame low. With this is a bigger picture time frame bottom. Market should not, definitely not, has to go below this low. And after that, we have these lows and this low as well on charts. These lows are very close to each other where we're trading right now. This is the value area high of the range as well. It is possible that for the bearish case scenario, market may remain sideways at this range because of the news, and then try to knock these two lows as well to this daily low, and then try to be bullish. This is the possibility that is possible as well from the charts, because the way market is taking its time, even though it wants to go toward upper side, but it is really, I feel like the way it is more of like not really going toward upper side from here. If it would have been bullish, it would have already gone up from here, from this range toward upper side. It would have already gone up. It went down from this range to the 4 out of fairly gap, gone up again, holding this area right now. Would Went down again, got the bounce again, got the bounce from here again, but still it is more of a like keep taking its time at this range. Still, it is not really going toward upper side from here. Why it is not going toward upper side? Maybe because of the news. The first possibility, market is taking its time. Maybe after the news, we can see volatility on the charts, maybe toward upper side, or maybe it has to be bearish. That's why the bearish case scenario you have just explained to you. Bigger picture, the first possibility and the probability, I'm anticipating that from the bullish case scenario, it should not have to go below this low. This is the local bigger picture time from local bottom. After that, this is the low. It should not have to go below this low. This is the low as well on charts. It should not have to go below this low as well. From here, it should have to be bullish. I don't want to from the market to go down below this low on shorter term time frame, which is this low. It should not have to go below this low. It should come down. It should have to hold this area. This is a 30-minute time frame, 4 out time frame, really gap high as well. From this range, it should have to be bullish. Try to knock all of those highs. It should have to knock all of the previous highs as well on charts. Previous all-time highs as well on charts. This is the first possibility I'm anticipating from the charts. The second possibility on a bullish case scenario may be because this is the value high of the range. Market just go to the upper side. There's 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well in here. Market disrupt these two highs, show rejection from this range value area high, 1 hour time frame fair value gap, create another lower high at this range. Then we can anticipate a pullback toward downward side. If it market show rejection from this range, pull back toward lower levels, then we can anticipate these lows could be knocked off. We can anticipate more of like this kind of price action sideways, and then eventually these lows may be knocked off, and we'll anticipate this daily low holding this area, then try to be bullish all the way toward upper side as well. This is also possible as well from charts. We can not deny about that. This is what it is I'm watching and anticipating from the charts right now. That may played out on. Hello, hello. I'm really sorry, guys. I don't know. This obvious thingy has done something with me. Still, it is not really going to up aside from here. Price action sideways, and then eventually these lows may be knocked off, and we'll anticipate this daily low. I hope you guys can hear me. So now it has gone down. At this point, just when it created this fairly gap. Price action sideways, and then eventually these lows may be knocked off, and we'll anticipate this daily low. I hope you guys can hear me. So now it has gone. So yeah, this is the range. We're still bullish on, looking for the market to go to the upper side. Just watching and observing the charts. I think we should have to wait for news. Already 9:45 now. I do not want to take any kind of aggressive trade. There will be no aggressive trade. No aggressive entries on charts. If you want to up toward upper side, I will not do anything. Because at this range, it could do something like this. A V-shaped recovery. It could do something like, in that case scenario, you can look to buy. But I'm not sure about that, and I have to wait for news. This is the only thing. So look at this. Yes, we are looking to buy this range, but we until now our stop loss is not defined yet. We don't know if this is the bottom. We don't know. So no trade. And we have news as well coming up at 3 p.m. We have to wait, which will be 10 a.m. in the New York time. 5 hour of difference. Yes, it could do V-shaped recovery still possible all the way to the upper side. We cannot deny this. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god. I'm getting a call from my mom. I want to see 5 minute time frame. If you watch our 5 minute time frame after 9:30, what have you seen on charts? Nothing. You know what? Like I'm thinking about two possibilities right now. Just these highs, this area for bullish case scenario in this session, It should have to hold this area, then try to be bullish. For bearish case scenario, as it is bullish, for bearish case scenario, I'm not really anticipating it. It is unlikely for the market to knock these lows. My anticipation on this session is just this area. Yeah, for bullish case scenario, that's it. And so far on 5 minute time frame, it is holding nicely, by the way. 15-minute time frame as well, it is holding nicely. 30-minute time frame as well, it is holding nicely, this area, by the way. And at this range, for example, if when market went down from here to all the way to this range, I will be very careful on charts, keeping my stop loss tight. If it has to knock all of those major highs, tends to be bullish. Sure, rejection sideways choppy, we could be going down as well from here toward lower levels. This is what it is I am anticipating or expecting from the market to do. So look at this. At this point, I was just telling you, yes, we are bullish at this range. I'm bullish at this range, but my stop loss is not defined yet. I cannot buy. Still, we're trading inside. This is a quite strong level of support as well. You can say that 30-minute time frame fair value gap, 4 hour time frame inverted fair value gap as well. High we are trading at. We have highs very close to each other on charts. We have highs very close to each other on charts. We're already bullish. So at this range, I'm really anticipating from charts to give me a local bottom at this range to look to buy for these local highs, this 1 hour time frame value gap and value area high of the range in here, this level. This is what it is I'm anticipating right now in this session. If it went down from here, continue to be bearish, I cannot do anything. We cannot do anything about that. We cannot do anything about that because this is already so strong level of support on charts. We are already bullish, and I am anticipating a bullish price action from charts. This is the only anticipation I have on charts right now. This is the only kind of this we have VWAP as well at this range. So there's these quite strong level confluences on charts at this range that it could go toward upper side from here. So there are quite strong confluences on charts at this range that market could be bullish from here. Five-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute time frame fairly gap. So that's why it is very important to keep an eye on more of like just on a bigger picture time frame as well, how it is performing, how market is performing. 1 hour time frame. This is the